Hello traders, welcome back to AM Trading Tips. Today we are going to review the Gold Trade Pro EA, an expert advisor designed specifically for gold trading on MetaTrader 4. I will show you what this EA does, how it places trades, the precautions you must take, and at the end of the video, I will share the actual backtest result I ran. And yes, if you want to try this EA yourself, the free download link is in the description below. Before we go into the result, let me quickly explain what an EA actually is, for traders who are new to automation. EA simply means Expert Advisor. It is an automated trading program that runs on MetaTrader 4. In manual trading, you have to watch the chart, find the setup, place the trade, manage your stop loss, and close the trade yourself. But an EA does all of this for you, based on the rules already coded inside it. When the market matches its conditions, it can open, buy, or sell trades automatically without you sitting in front of the screen. So an EA removes the manual effort, but remember, it does not remove the risk. Every EA, no matter how good it looks, must be tested properly before you trust it with real money. Now coming to Gold Trade Pro EA, as the name suggests, this one is built mainly for gold, which is the XAUUSD pair. And as you know, gold is one of the most volatile instruments in the Forex market. It can move hundreds of pips in a single news event, which is why many traders prefer to automate gold trading instead of doing it manually. Looking at the chart, you can see this EA is placing both pending buy and pending sell orders, which means it does not always rely on instant execution. It sets up traps in advance and waits for the price to come. The arrows you see on the chart represent its entry signals. Now, the signals look clean here, but please understand, a few good-looking arrows on a chart never prove that an EA is profitable in the long run. What matters is how it handles drawdown, how it behaves in news events, and whether it protects your capital when the market goes against it. And this brings me to the most important part of this video, the risk warning. Please listen to this carefully, because I do not want anyone to lose money after watching my video. No EA can guarantee profit. Whether it is Gold Trade Pro or any other Forex robot you find online, the backtest result and the live result are almost never the same. The reason is simple. Live markets have spread changes, slippage, broker execution delays, liquidity gaps, and sudden news spikes that a backtest cannot fully simulate. And in gold, these problems get even bigger because the price moves extremely fast. So before you run this or any EA on a live account, always test it on a demo first. Start with the smallest lot size possible. Watch how it behaves in trending markets, sideways markets, and during high-impact news events. And if you ever notice that an EA is using grid, recovery, or martingale logic, be extra careful, because those systems can wipe out an entire account in just one bad trade. Trading the Forex market in gold involves a very high level of risk, and you can lose more than you invest. So please treat this video as educational content only. This is not financial advice, and you are fully responsible for your own trading decisions. Now let me walk you through my test setup so you know exactly how I tested this EA. I used the MetaTrader 4 strategy tester. The pair was XAUUSD Gold. The time frame was 1 hour. The test period was from January 2026 up to the current date, and I started with a $500 deposit. This is a raw backtest, and I am showing you the exact result from the tester. Nothing edited, nothing hidden. But again, I want to be honest with you. One single backtest is never enough to judge any EA. For a real picture, you should test it with different spreads, different time periods, different broker data, and then run it forward on a demo account for a few weeks. Only then you get a clear idea. If you want to try the Gold Trade Pro EA yourself, the free download link is in the description below. But please listen to me carefully. Do not use it directly on a live account. Download it, run it on a demo first, use the lowest lot size possible, and watch carefully how the EA opens and closes trades. Only after proper demo testing should you even think about going live with it. Alright, now let's get to the part everyone is waiting for, the actual backtest result. I started this test with $500. The total net profit came out to around $454, with a gross profit of $629 and a gross loss of $175. The profit factor is 3.60, which honestly looks strong on paper. The EA took a total of 56 trades, out of which 38 were winners and 18 were losers. So the win rate is around 67%, which is decent. The largest single winning trade was $49, and the biggest losing trade was only $13. So the loss control looks good in this test. The maximum drawdown was around $108, with a relative drawdown of about 10%. There were also 15 wins in a row at the best stretch, and 7 losses in a row at the worst stretch. So overall, the numbers look positive, but here's the catch I cannot ignore. The modeling quality of this backtest is only around 66%, which means this is not the highest grade test. So I would not call this result a guarantee at all. My honest take, GoldTrade Pro EA looks interesting in this test, but before you trust it with real money, please run it forward on a demo for at least 2 to 4 weeks and see how it performs in live conditions. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to test more free ads like this. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.